especially plant foods that are grown in the local countries. So we personally believe that our soil, we have unique crops and we have unique produce, and we personally believe that the uniqueness of this plant are so unique when you cannot really find the unique food in our country from your country. So I recommend that let's make our recommendations so simple. We know that there are hundreds and hundreds of interactions among nutrients. We keep on hearing the iron and the calcium and vitamins, D's and there. But you know, when we do this and when we keep teaching this kind of information to lay people who don't have ideas on nutrition, they would rather go shift to the label thing. They know, oh, it has iron, it has calcium, it has... But they cannot see those promotions in our own local papaya and banana. So that in the layman's perspective, that is a little bit, it's very, attractive when you have the labeling. So I personally believe we go more of the promotion of, one time I presented one time in a medical convention, and then even the doctors keep on saying, hey, you nutritionists, you have so many prescriptions, like very confusing prescription. So we agree that this must be our prescription to the lay people. If you want really to ensure the health and the nutritional status, to enhance the nutritional, to increase the nutritional status, and to promote the the nutrients, is we must really promote a wide variety of plant foods, because we personally believe that each colorful food has unique health-enhancing phytochemicals. And if we present this kind of idea to the lay people, eat a wide variety of colored foods. Sometimes you eat red fruit, sometimes you eat yellow and green and purple and white and light yellow and light orange. So I personally believe we make it easier, and we can accomplish more, I think, good education to the lay people.